Achoo!
What's wrong, kid? Whoa, you look awful.
The renovations are ongoing all day and night. There's so much noise, dust, and rubbish. I can't take it.
It shouldn't be this bad. Are your contractors carrying out their renovations responsibly?
Responsibly? How?
HDB has various renovation guidelines to minimize any inconveniences to its residents. New BTO flat owners have 3 months to complete their renovations within the first year of collecting their keys. After that, they have 1 month, just like resale flat buyers. This is to minimize the inconvenience to their neighbours who are already living there. Noisy works such as tiles cutting and hacking can only be carried out on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Quieter works can be done from Mondays to Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. There should be no works on Sundays and public holidays, as these are usually rest days for most people. There are other guidelines such as limiting the number of power tools to minimize the noise generated, donning of attire bearing the contractor's company name to facilitate identification, and displaying a notice of renovation at the flat's entrance to notify neighbours about your renovations. Remind your appliances and furniture suppliers and renovation contractors to use the lifts properly. They should keep within the lift's weight limit and not obstruct the lift door sensors to prevent the lift doors from closing. This will damage the lift in the long run and inconvenience everyone in the neighbourhood. Everyone loves coming home to a beautiful environment. You should also remind your renovation contractors and delivery couriers to dispose of waste materials properly. Renovation debris and packaging material must not be thrown down the refuse chute hopper or washed down the sanitary system. Otherwise, they may choke up these systems. Debris left in the common areas can cause accidents or fires. And if it rains, puddles may form and become mosquito breeding grounds. If you witness any improper use of lifts and illegal dumping of waste around your estate, report them via the One Service app or through oneservice.sg.
Oh, thanks so much for this info. Now I know what to do to save myself from this.
I see you're all healthy and happy again.
Oh yes, I'm all better after the flat owners have been reminding the contractors and suppliers to take better care of the surroundings. The environment is now cleaner and there is less inconvenience to residents.
Glad to have helped. Remember, responsible renovation practices help keep our living environment safe, clean and pleasant. For more information on HDB's renovation guidelines, visit www.hdb.gov.sg/home renovation.